Are you confused between present continuous and past continuous tense? Don't worry. In this lesson, I'll explain them with easy rules, clear examples, and common mistakes so you can master them quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use these tenses correctly in daily conversation. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. Number 1, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for actions that are happening right now or temporary situations. Structure or formula of present continuous tense. Here's how we form it. Number 1, affirmative sentences, subject plus am is are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Structure of negative sentences, subject plus am is are plus not plus ing form of the verb plus object. Structure of interrogative sentences, am is are plus subject plus ing form of the verb plus object. When and how we can use present continuous tense. Number 1, actions happening right now. For example, she is studying for her exams. Temporary actions. I am staying at my friend's house this week. Planned future actions. They are traveling to Paris next weekend. Changing situations. The climate is getting warmer. Example sentences. I am watching a movie right now. He is reading a book in the library. We are playing football at the moment. She is learning Spanish these days. The kids are making too much noise. Section 2, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense describes action that were happening at a specific time in the past or two actions happening at the same time. Structure of past continuous tense. Here's how we can form it. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb plus object. Negative sentences. Subject plus was were plus not plus ing form of the verb plus object. Interrogative sentences. Was were plus subject plus ing form of the verb plus object. Usage. We use past continuous for a specific time in the past. For example, I was sleeping at 10 p.m. last night. Two actions happening at the same time. For example, she was cooking while I was watching TV. An interrupted action. For example, I was studying when the phone rang. Background scenes in a story. For example, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. Examples of past continuous tense. I was watching TV when you called me. They were playing football when it started raining. He was studying all night for the test. She was reading a novel while drinking coffee. The teacher was explaining the lesson when the bell rang. Now, let's discuss what's the difference between present continuous and past continuous. First, let's understand what each tense means. Present continuous is used for actions happening right now or at the present moment. Past continuous is used for actions that were happening at a specific time in past but no longer happening now. For example, in present continuous tense, she is talking on the phone. This means she is on the phone right now. In past continuous, we say She was talking on the phone when I arrived. This means she was talking before I arrived, but then it probably stopped. Time reference. When we use them, time markers help us understand these tenses better. Present continuous uses words like now, at the moment, currently, and past continuous uses phrases like yesterday at 5 p.m., while, when, as. For example, I am watching a movie right now is present continuous, and past continuous is I was watching movie when my friend called. Now let's look at the structure. Present continuous tense uses is, am, are plus ing form of the verb, while past continuous uses was, were plus ing form of the verb. For example, she is studying for her exam. In past continuous, we say she was studying when the power went out. Section 4. Common mistakes and tips. Many learners make mistakes with these tenses. Let's correct them. I was go to the market is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I was going to the market. She is watching TV when I called. She is watching TV when I called. The correct sentence is she was watching TV when I called. They were play football is the incorrect sentence. The correct form is they were playing football. Always use ing form of the verb in both tenses, that is present continuous and past continuous. Now, let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks with correct verb form. Right now, I dash a movie. She dash dinner when I arrived. They dash football at this moment. It dash heavily when we left. We dash for the test right now. Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's practice together. Now you know the difference between present continuous and past continuous. If you found this lesson helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss an update. Challenge. Write your own sentences using present continuous and past continuous in the comments. I'll check and reply. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.